To change the battery in my old video, removing that part, even wipers. Now we're gonna try a second method that a few viewers may talk about, is by removing this area, and it's supposed to be easier. So let's find out. I'm gonna give it a try and see how this works. I'm gonna first undo the battery here, and then I'm gonna remove this, and I think it looks like there's one bolt right there, another one right here, one right there, sensor, probably remove that. And this cable, this cable is a very hard sale here. I think this is gonna be a problem, but until, well, it's kind of tied in with zip ties, so hope they just give enough room to push this latch this way. All right, that's more or less what I'm gonna try to do. Maybe this also. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it, see how it goes. 10 millimeter. Right, now let's do this. There will be 1, 2, 3, and let's see what else. And there's one down there. Hope you can see it. There's one there. So we're gonna need 8 millimeter and plus an extension, even longer than this. These don't go out, so don't worry about it. So just undo them. Oh my goodness. Ah! All right, so now I need to remove these. So this is attached to this, Listen, oh yeah. So I'm gonna undo. There's what is it, Philip driver, flat, and I'm gonna undo this by okay, let's undo this one. So there you go, easy peasy. Let's undo that one. So let's do this. Or you can do it also with a I don't know, 7 millimeter maybe. I don't know. All right, let's detach. Oh yeah, we need to also this one. Let's see. Push, I guess. Push. There you go. That one. Almost. Well, let's detach and let's separate these. I want to use my two hands. It's just easy, just push, hold and pull. Hold with one hand, pull with the other one. All right, I'm gonna turn on the camera and do it with my two hands. Okay, so you can see, I don't know if this is attached to something down there. Yeah, it is, but I think it's something here. I'm gonna just pull. But I'm gonna pull. There you go. And pull. I was gonna lift it. I'm gonna lift it from this side, then lift it. Something like, still like attached to something else. Oh, yeah. There's something there. You see it? Yeah, this thing was kind of grabbing this. Now, this is supposed to what? pull up. All right, let's lift this up. There you go. It has to go up. Let's see, give it. I need 2 hands again, so. All right, I'm gonna push it. There's something there. There's another one here, so I need to push up and then pull. I need to push up. Is there such a thing, push up? Okay, the way this works, this face plate, is that you push this up, but then you have to move this to the side, like that. So, okay, so now, I think we got enough room now. If I need to undo the zip ties, I will undo them, so this is free to move. You can see I'm gonna just go in there. See? I don't have enough room to do a lot of. I can remove. All right, it's out. Okay, time to cut. There you go. Cut them. Pull it out with my 2 hands, lifting and pulling, and then try to keep this away. Pull it out. Again, 10, get it out, and the way I did it, I just start wiggling with my left hand. I'm gonna get it out. Okay guys, totally out. Go and buy me a new one and be back and install it. This is the battery. This is the Duralast Platinum AGM technology. It's H6-AGM 760. Stick the battery in there. Alright. Push it back. Set it like this so you can put the negative there. So you're gonna have to, because it's kind of short. This is a 10. Once that thing is done, you push it in like so. Now let's install the holder. It is tricky. Let's put the nuts. I'm gonna do that one first, which is easy in a sense. Later. Okay, we got that one. Alright, trick. The only way to do it is get between these 2 cables. So go like this, pinch it like this, and yeah, go in, yeah, drive it, and give it a few. All the way in as much as you can, remember. There you go. They're both in. Let's get some lights. Install. Remember, if you touch that positive with negative with this metal, so I recommend put a little plastic thingy back like so you don't run into a little spark. Okay, back to this. So this is kind of straightforward. Once you get in, keep on working with both hands, okay? Do the same with this one. Put this in place, the plate. So there's a little spike here. It goes in that hole right there. So align it. So also these goes in this groove right there. So because it is open, you need to open a little bit, get them in, and push down. There you go, in place. Now you can connect your positive now. There you go. Again, your 10. Remember when we cut this, you can just put them in. You can put the new zip ties in there if you want to. I decide not to. Keep it in place like that. Now let's put the filter housing and connect it there. This group goes back there. So you gotta squeeze it in like this. You're gonna have to play around with this. These two. This is a cool piece of strap right here. I don't know if it goes in a little bit. No, seems like that's it. I'm gonna strap it here. Secure it. There you go. Everything is in place. Okay, don't forget to do this one. I think I'm gonna stop the video right here. All you gotta do is just put the filter back in, the cover, and you're done. Well, thank you for watching. It's not too bad after all, but wow,